In this video, we're going to talk about copying and pasting, but we're going to go beyond. Most people know how to use the copy and paste command in Windows or in a Microsoft product. But in Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, there is more to pasting than just directly pasting what you had or a direct copy of it. We have different options we can pick, so I'm going to go over a few of those. So I'm going to go over to the spreadsheet that I had open in the last video to serve as an example. So we're going to be selecting A12. I'm going to click in here. I'm going to type Jacobson Lola. So Lola Jacobson, but last name first. And I'm going to select B11 to C11. And we're going to use the Control plus C key on our keyboard to copy. You can also go up and hit the copy button up in the home tab of Microsoft Excel. So Control C, and we have our little ants marching around our cell selection. So we've copied. And what we're going to do, we're going to go down to B12. We're going to select that, and we're going to right click. And we're going to click Paste Special. We're going to select this, and we have a ton of options with what we can do here. See if we can do the same thing here. Yep, you can get to it from the Home tab over on your Paste button, but it's quicker just to right click and use the operations there. So right click, we're going to Paste Special. And we want to click on Paste Special at the bottom, and we're going to have a dialog box open. And we're going to select Formats and click OK. So all we want to do is carry the formatting into those cells. We don't necessarily want to carry the numbers. We just want the formatting. And click OK. So now, let's type in here. We're going to type 1534. I'm going to hit Tab to go to the next cell. And if you notice, we have carried the formatting that we have selected. We might not have even set this up. Somebody else might have sent this to us, and we wanted to carry the same formatting from one cell to another. So in C12, we're going to type /1517. We're going to see what happens. So it should take on the same date format as C11. So click on A13. We're going to type total. Hit Tab. We're going to click on B13. So we're in B13. We're going to go up to the Auto Sum button in the editing group. Click Auto Sum, and you'll see that when we click the Auto Sum button, it makes an assumption that we want this group of cells to be summed. We can just hit Enter if we're happy with what it's selected. If not, we'll change our selection. Then let's click on B13. We're going to hit Control C. So we're going to copy that. Then we're going to go to B14. We're going to right click. We're going to click Paste Special and go to Paste Special. We're going to click Values and then click OK. And if you notice, it did not carry the $sign or the number formatting that had been picked previously for it. All we get are the numbers. So we can apply our own formatting or use it somehow else in our data set. And to stop the little marching cell border, just hit Escape and that'll turn it off. It'll deselect it. And we can do with this what we want. We may not like it, we can delete it. I'm just going to hit the delete key on my keyboard. But that's how you use different options in the Paste Special. Let's go down here and do it again. I'm going to right click and then go to, well, let's Control C, let's copy it. Let's go down here, right click, Paste Special, Paste Special. Let's see what other options we have. We have formulas, values, formats, comments, validating, all except borders, column width. So we can carry with us just little parts of whatever we want to copy, or the whole thing. So I hope that gives you a little bit better idea how to use Paste Special to select the information or the formatting that you want to carry with you to another cell in Microsoft Excel.